Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Remitly app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. So first thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Remitly app, and now let's open it first. And now you will be able to see the interface of the Remitly apps on the screen. So let me tap on the continue for now. And now you can see once you tap on the continue, but before that you can see there was a sign up button. So you simply need to tap on that sign up button and you will be redirected to this page. So after you redirected to this page, you can see there is continue with Apple, or you can also enter your email address or your password, or you can also continue with Google as well. So now let me tap on the continue with Apple for now, but you can choose any of them according to your preference. So let me tap on the continue with Apple. So once you tap on it, you can see it is asking us to verify myself. So let me verify myself first. Okay, so once you verified yourself, you will be able to sign in Remitly app successfully. So let me verify myself again. Okay, so here you go. So now you can see I have been sign in successfully. So now you can see this is how, and this is the process to sign into your Remitly app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.